Are you looking for the best drone camera aerial photography? In this video we will look at some of the best drone camera aerial photography on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. S2S G6 Drone Professional HD 8K 5G GPS Drone. Aerial Photography 4K Camera Obstacle Avoidance Helicopter RC Quadcopter Toy Gifts. Battery, 3.7 volts 1800 mAh LiPo, included. Transmitter battery, 3x1.5 AAA battery, not included. Remote control distance, 5,000 meters. Camera optional, 5G Wi-Fi 6K/5G Wi-Fi 8K. FOV, 120 degrees wide angle. Foldable arms, it is compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. With 5G Wi-Fi function, can be connected to APK system to take pictures, videos, transfer images in real time through mobile phone camera. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 5,000 meters. 5G Wi-Fi 6K HD/5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide a variety of high-definition images and videos. With altitude hold mode function, it can provide stable flight. The orbital motion will make the plane fly in circles, providing a cooler shooting angle. Waypoint flight mode, just draw a route on the screen and use the helicopter as a given path. Number 2. Gimbal S2S Mini Drone. 4K 8K HD camera obstacle avoidance aerial photography brushless motor foldable RC quadcopter kid toy. If you have any questions about the after sales, please contact me in time. I will solve it for you as soon as possible. We are the source manufacturer, so our price can be the lowest. At the same time, we have strict quality inspection, etc. Check every machine. Charging time, about 1 hour. Camera lens adjustable camera by transmitter 90 degrees. Wi-Fi image transmission distance, free interference and no occlusion, about 50 meters. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi. The bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle. The servo pan tilt is designed to increase stability, and the electronic anti-shake is added to make the photo line clearer. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. Number 3. S2S KF613 4K GPS Drone. KF613 4K GPS Drone with camera obstacle avoidance FPV quadcopter brushless motor 5G Wi-Fi 18 minutes flight mini drone under 250 grams. 4K high definition electric adjustment lens to improve the clarity of the shot, support sliding zoom, and willfully enlarge the texture of large films. Gesture photography, trigger gesture sensing shooting, video recording, whether outdoor or indoor, it can always maintain a high degree of hover, and it is easy to use. The bottom is equipped with a high-definition optical flow visual lens, which can freely switch the shooting angle, realize the double view angle switch, and have a wider angle of view. High-definition double shot, the front lens has a wide view, and the bottom lens overlooks the wonderful horizon. Number 4. LY 2024 Noob 15 Plus Drone. 2024 Noob 15 Plus Drone Professional 8K GPS Dual Camera Obstacle Avoidance Optical Flow Positioning Brushless RC1000M 4K Drone. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and his electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the APP mobile phone control. One key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance gimbal components, Stop without collision when encountering obstacles. The product is light in size and weight, which can avoid aviation control. Number 5. RG101 Pro Drone 2-axis Gimbal 360 degrees Obstacle Avoidance HD. RG101 Pro Drone 2-axis Gimbal 360 degrees Obstacle Avoidance HD Dual Camera Aerial Photography Brushless GPS Foldable Return Quadcopter. GPS returns to the takeoff point with one click, returns with low power, and returns without signal. GPS intelligent tracking. After the aircraft is connected to GPS, open the APP tracking function, and the aircraft follows the mobile phone. APP image GPS tracking. Identify the shooting object from a distance of 10 to 15 meters from the aircraft and perform automatic tracking flight. Gesture photo recognition. Within 1 to 3 meters from the aircraft, face the camera and make a photo gesture. Route multi-point planning flight. The aircraft flies independently according to the preset route, and the player focuses on shooting. Fixed point orbit. Find the center point of the orbit, and then use the rocker to move the desired orbit radius. MV features, filters, video effects, adding background music, and sharing pictures, videos. Number 6. LS New V168 Drone Professinal. New V168 Drone Professinal 3-camera 8K wide-angle optical GPS localization 4-way obstacle avoidance quadcopter Fixiomi. With foldable arms, compact and easy to carry. GPS positioning mode can provide more accurate flight. 5G Wi-Fi FPV distance can reach 3000 m. 5G Wi-Fi 4K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 6K HD, 5G Wi-Fi 8K HD camera can provide various HD images and videos. With altitude hold mode function to provide stable flight. Orbital movement will allow the aircraft to fly in circles, providing cooler camera angles. Waypoint flight mode. Simply draw a route on screen with the helicopter as the given path. Flight time of up to 22-25 minutes. No need to adjust the position of the aircraft before flight. One-touch return function. You can easily find your way home. One-touch takeoff/landing. One button auto takeoff or landing. The drone will automatically take off or return to the takeoff position. Number 7. CFLY Faith Mini Drone 4K Professional HD Camera. CFLY Faith Mini Drone 4K Professional HD Camera 5G Wi-Fi 3-axis Gimbal Brushless Motor Drone RC Foldable Quadcopter. 230 grams, foldable drone, small size, easy to carry. GPS positioning. Under GPS mode, when the aircraft receives the signal from satellites, it will position where it is. 5G Wi-Fi FPV. 1080p videos and 4K photos, with real-time transmission. 4K HD camera gimbal. It is equipped with 4K camera, tuned amazingly to capture pictures and videos from the sky, also with 3-axis brushless gimbal, helping the drone record vibration-free footages. Camera angle can be controlled by transmitter, APP to pitch from -90 degrees to 0 degrees. One key takeoff/landing. One press automatically taking off or landing. The drone will take off or go back to the position where it took off, and it is very suitable for novice operation. One key return. One key return function makes it easily to find the way home. Point of interesting flight. Choose one point, then tee the drone, fly in a circle around a set waypoint and make sure you will get panorama pictures and video. With 7.7 volts 2100 mAh battery, the flight time up to 27 minutes. Number 8. New S155 Pro GPS Drone 5G FPV. New S155 Pro GPS Drone 5G FPV Brushless Motor GPS Return 4K HD Dual Camera 360 degrees Laser Obstacle Avoidance RC Quadcopter Drone Toy. The obstacle avoidance model has added 360 degrees obstacle avoidance function and 4-sided obstacle avoidance function. GPS mode and optical flow mode. Dual mode. 5G relay with 6 channels and gyroscope. Brushless motor. Stable flight. easy operation. 8K high-definition photography. The body can be inserted with a storage card. Paired with a 3-axis gimbal, the front lens can be adjusted for multiple angles through the remote control, providing a more comprehensive viewing experience. Can carry a load of 500 grams. 3800 mAh high-capacity battery with a range of 28 minutes. 6000 meters ultra-long remote control distance. Connect Wi-Fi system functions, taking photos, recording and real-time transmission. Emergency stop. Trajectory flying. One-click surround, intelligent following, adding music, rotating the screen.